of the stage to give the opening speech.
This conference is an important one that presents our rider and the team lineup.
Thank you very much for attending today's Yamaha Motorsports Media Conference.
Let's start. I would like to quickly talk about our strategy of motorsports. There are three basic principles. The people associated with racing with Yamaha and the viewers the rest.
So excited to get the season started. Hopefully we can challenge for the race win from the first race.
Yeah, we just want to win with the R1 and fight for the top positions in World Superbike coming season.
今年はチャンピオンの奪還をして自分自身のタイトルを8回に伸ばしたいと思ってますので、ぜひ今年1年間応援してください。よろしくお願いします。
新たなスタートラインに立ったと思って、チャンピオンを目指します。チームのお方にお願いします。
This year, 2018, we only have one goal, that is world title. We will do our best for this year MotoGP, so please give your support 100%.
The first day will be important to do it all step by step to manage the bike and then go fast.
We have a good bike, good team, enough power to do it, so we're going to try to put a lot of work on this test and try to develop a good bike, and then, you know, on the races we are strong, we can win it, so we're going to go for the objective.
As always, we start from Sepang with the first test, and the feeling with the new bike is positive. I feel good. We have to work, but we are quite optimistic.